Hey guys, we're out here at Streetcar Takeover, Indy, our hometown, our home race. Look forward to it every year. It's Friday, so Friday is the roll races. We actually sat out this year with the stock motor, decided we're just gonna hold off for digs. So that's about to end, and we're gonna head over to the driver's meeting and then go ahead and open up testing. So we're gonna make a test pass, see where the car is, and then I believe about an hour or two later, we're gonna move into Q1 for the street racer class. So that'll probably be our evening. We'll see what we can put down, get us on the qualifying ladder, and then see what tomorrow brings. So let's have a great time at Streetcar Takeover. All right, so I guess we're gonna go ahead and get started on Q1 for street racer class tonight. They're running a little behind schedule, so I don't know if we'll be able to make a test pass afterwards, but it's pretty hot out. We'll go ahead and got a tune in here. We'll see what it does. Make a pass, look at the log, and come back and figure out if we can maybe squeeze in a test pass before they start the small tire. So Q1, let's see what it does. All right, so back in the pits, we went ahead and ran our Q1. I think we were like the second pair down. Good pass. Had to sit on the trans brake for a while. I think the guy next to me, I don't think his bump was working, but light went down, we went down nice and smooth. I got the ticket. I was shooting for about a 9.0 and it went 9.98 or 9.89 or somewhere in that range. So right about where we want to be. I'm gonna see if maybe we can get back up there and run a test pass. Maybe give it a little more, see what the track will take in this heat. And that'll probably be it for Friday, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. All right, we're right up to the burnout box, one behind it for a test pass. We did Q1 earlier, so just trying to make sure, car's good, giving it a little bit more on the hit. It has cooled down a little bit, so I do expect it to go a little faster. Just want to get some more data on this combo and make sure that we're ready for eliminations tomorrow. right, so unfortunately we might be done a little early for Streetcar Takeover this year. Start the car up. We got a lot of blow by coming out of the catch can, so I don't want to make a tough situation even worse. So I think we're going to call it, load up, watch our friends, and unfortunately that's going to be the end of it for Streetcar Takeover Indy this year.
We gotta wait now, our supplies are ready to start.
Meanwhile, that Trans Am right now goes 886 to 250. Lines to the boards down there on the big end. That means no time. We're going to run to the 8th mile, 660 feet.
Is playing the gap band all the way out the back door, goes 7-7.